the direction of this magnetic field should be resolved into horizontal and vertical components dB sin alpha and dB cos alpha respectively. Vertical components being equal and opposite cancel each other. Horizontal components being in same direction gets added up. So the net magnetic field now will be, ಈಗ net magnetic field ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Net magnetic field at point P. Net magnetic field at point P will be, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ dB cos alpha cancel ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, dB sin alpha add up ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So dB sin alpha plus dB sin alpha is 2 dB sin alpha. Net magnetic field at point P is 2 dB sin alpha. dB sin alpha plus dB sin alpha is 2 dB sin alpha. See, this is magnetic field due to only two current elements. Idu matte idrinda bandiro magnetic field ashte idu. But we want magnetic field due to entire circular coil. So magnetic field at P, illi namige bandiro magnetic field enadalla, this is only due to two current elements, AB and A dash B dash. But we want magnetic field at P due to entire circular coil, complete circular coil in the magnetic field ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. Magnetic field at point P due to entire circular coil. Magnetic field due to entire circular coil is written as B. Nodri, magnetic field due to current element was written as dB. Magnetic field due to entire circular coil is written as B. Magnetic field due to entire circular coil is summation of 2 dB sin alpha. The current elements in the magnetic field ಬಂದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ 2 dB sin alpha, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ summation ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll be getting the magnetic field due to entire circular coil. So B is equals to summation to, as it is bari dB illinda substitution ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, dB ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, both are the same. dB is mu naught over 4 pi IDL divided by R square. So to, as it is bari dB is mu naught over 4 pi IDL divided by R square into sin alpha. Right? To, as it is dB is mu naught over 4 pi IDL by R square sin alpha as it is. Summation ಒಳಗೆ DL ಒಂದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಉಳಿದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. B is equals to 2 outside, mu naught over 4 pi outside, I outside divided by R square. Summation ನಾಗೆ DL ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. We are like summing up all those small current elements. A small current elements ಏನಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ magnetic field ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ magnetic fields ನ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll be getting the total magnetic field. So 2 mu naught over 4 pi I by R square summation DL into sin alpha. So 2 is taken outside, mu naught over 4 pi outside, I by R square outside, summation DL as it is by sin alpha. We'll call this as equation number 1. We have to now find out what is summation of DL and what is sin alpha. Iverade find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Summation of DL ಏನು, sin alpha. ಇದೆರಡು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ derivation ಮುಗಿತು. Now summation of DL is, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ಸ್ ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ we'll be getting the total length of the circle. We know the total length of circle is 2 pi capital R. Radius ನಾವು capital R ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ circular coil. So 2 pi capital R circumference divided by 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, because we have used two current elements at a time. So 2 cancel agi, summation of DL will come out to be pi R. So summation of DL is to be calculated. Summation of DL will be 2 pi capital R by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled out, pi R ulitade. From figure you need to find out what is sin alpha. Nodri, sin alpha kuda determine ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That must be determined using the diagram. From figure sin alpha triangle, nodri, from this triangle sin alpha, sin is opposite, sin ige alpha ಗೆ opposite ಬರೋದು capital R, hypotenuse is root over R square plus x square. So sin alpha is capital R divided by small r. ಈ capital R square root over R square plus x square ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ small r ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Write this as small r. So capital R by small r ಆಗ್ತದೆ sin alpha. Substitute summation of dl and sin alpha in equation number 1. Equation 1 ad nodri. Equation 1 ಒಳಗೆ just need to substitute what is summation of dl and what is sin alpha. B is equals to 2 mu naught over 4 pi I by r square. Summation of dl is pi r, sin alpha is capital R by small r. So equation 1 becomes B is equals to 2 into mu naught over 4 pi I by r square into pi capital R into capital R by small r. Summation of dl irali pi r, sin alpha irali capital R by small r. So this becomes B is equals to first mu naught over 4 pi ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I am writing mu naught over 4 pi 2 I pi r into r is r square divided by r square into r is r cube. So mu naught over 4 pi 2 I pi r square divided by r cube. So B is equals to mu naught over 4 pi 2 I pi r square divided by small r is nothing but from the diagram. Small r is nothing but root over capital R square plus x square. Notes ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು small r ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, capital R ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Notes ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು small r ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, make it capital R. So small r is to be now substituted. Small r is root over r square plus x square whole cube. ಈ cube ಹಾಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. B is equals to mu naught over 4 pi I r 2 I pi r square divided by ಈ square root ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ power 3 by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. R square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. This is the expression for magnetic field at a point on the axis of circular coil carrying current using Biot-Savart's law. I hope this is clear. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ everything will be clear. You just need to first construct a circular coil of radius capital R. P is point on the axis of the circular coil at a distance x from the center of the circular coil. Consider two current elements AB and A dash B dash. AB in the point P one line R3, A dash B dash in the point P one line join R3. This is R, this is x. Pythagoras theorem prakara this becomes root over r square plus x square. It is smaller anta barigi. Magnetic field at this point will be according to right hand thumb rule upward. Hege bandirtade. dB vector represent ಮಾಡಿ. Alpha angle should not be written, forgotten. This must be written. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ current element A dash B dash in the magnetic field will be pointing downward. ಇವೆರಡು magnetic fields na resolve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ dB sin alpha will be in same direction. dB cos alpha will be in opposite direction, so they get cancelled out. Find out magnetic field at point P due to current element AB. Biot-Savart's law ಬರೀಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. dB is equals to mu naught over 4 pi ideal sin theta by r square. Theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. At this point it may not be clear. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So sin 90 is 1. dB is equals to mu naught over 4 pi IDL by r square. IDL divided by r square. Same equation current element A dash B dash in baridi. Next resolution ಬಗ್ಗೆ theory baridi. The direction of magnetic field is resolved into two components, dB cos alpha and dB sin alpha. Vertical components being equal and opposite cancel each other. Horizontal components being in same direction gets added up. So net magnetic field at point P becomes 2 dB sin alpha. dB sin alpha plus dB sin alpha is 2 dB sin alpha. This is magnetic field due to only two current elements. Naming magnetic field complete circular coil in the vehicle. So magnetic field at point P due to entire circular coil is B is equals to E small magnetic field is summation R, summation of 2 dB sin alpha. Summation 2 as it is dB substitution in the mu naught over 4 pi ideal by r square ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. Sin alpha as it is. 2 outside mu naught over 4 pi outside I by r square outside. Summation ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀ dl ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Sin alpha as it is ಬರ್ರಿ. Summation of dl ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Summation of dl is 2 pi capital R by 2. ಯಾಕೆ divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have considered two current elements at a time. Each current element will be contributing length pi r to the circular coil. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ pi r ಅಷ್ಟು ಲೆಂತ್ ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. So ಎರಡು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 2 pi r ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So summation of dl is 2 pi capital R by 2. 2 2 cancel ಆದ್ರೆ pi capital R. ನೋಡಿ capital R ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ನ capital R ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. From figure you have to find out sin alpha. Sin alpha from figure will be sin alpha is opposite by hypotenuse. Alpha opposite capital R, hypotenuse small r. Capital R by small r. So sin alpha is capital R divided by small r. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ equation 1 ಒಳಗೆ equation 1 becomes 2 mu naught over 4 pi I by r square. Equation 1 2 into mu naught over 4 pi I by r square. Summation of dl is pi r. Sin alpha is capital R by small r. Pi r capital R by small r. Mu naught over 4 pi first bardini 2 as it is I pi r square divided by r square into r square into r is r cube. Small r substitute for root over r square plus x square whole cube. Square root tegedre this becomes 4 by 2. So this is the expression for magnetic field at a point on the axis of circular coil using Biot-Savart's law. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? Magnetic field at a point on the axis of circular coil using Biot-Savart's law. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ? ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಐ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 straight parallel conductors. ನಾಳೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಟಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 straight parallel conductors ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ರೇ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಇನ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, focal length of two thin lenses kept in contact irbodu, prism derivation irbodu, that I am going to explain again. And tomorrow morning we'll have numericals class on atoms and dual nature of radiation and matter. Right, I'll let you know the timing tomorrow. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. I'll however let you know the timing. Tomorrow morning we'll solve some numericals, but I want you to keep working. There will be no postponement of the theory examinations. It is very clear. Theory exams postpone agalla. We have received the orders and we are preparing the centers for the examination. So no, there is no question of postponing theory examinations as far as the information now is concerned. So I want you to be focused on studying, right? Focus madri. Enadru nimige inna enadru derivation doubt bandre just text me, I'll explain it. See, this is the maximum thing that we can do at this point of time. Ivaga nimmunili karilikke possibility illa. This is what maximum I can do on my side. Neevu nimge material ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. that is more than sufficient. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು derivation doubt ಬಂದ್ರು, ಸಣ್ಣ derivation doubt ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ you please text me. I'm going to explain it online, right? I think we'll not be able to meet up to 12th of this month. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ conditions. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗಂತೂ it is inevitable that we have to do it online. I think I'm clear. I'm going to explain fringe width derivation as well. Aduna explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. We have enough time. 15th ವರೆಗೂ up to May 15th I'll be taking up online classes. Do not worry. ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಿ. I'll be taking up classes up to May 15th. May 15th ವರೆಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ I am going to explain it. Do not worry about it. But I want you to be Bohr magnet on. Okay, I'll explain it. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಾರಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, 99% ಬರಲ್ಲ. But I'll explain it. I'll let you know the timings. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ 2 ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿವೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ 2 ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಡೆಗಿಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಫಿಶಿಯಂಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ. I want you to keep on studying. ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಓದಿನ ಕಡೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓದ್ರಿ, ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ರೈಟ್, ಎನಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟುಮಾರೋ.